Pocahontas, Cinderella, and the River of Time. In the palace gardens, where roses bloomed and butterflies danced, Cinderella discovered a peculiar silver locket nestled among the morning dew. As she lifted it from its resting place, the world around her began to spin like leaves caught in an autumn breeze. The familiar sights of her garden faded away, replaced by the gentle sound of rushing water and the whisper of ancient trees. When Cinderella opened her eyes, she found herself beside a river unlike any she had ever seen. Its waters flowed with an otherworldly shimmer, sometimes forward, sometimes backward, as if time itself couldn't decide which way to go. A gentle voice caught her attention, and there stood Pocahontas, her eyes filled with wisdom and concern. Pocahontas explained that the spirits of the land had grown restless, for the river that had flowed unchanged for centuries now danced to its own mysterious rhythm. When Cinderella showed her the silver locket, the water beneath their feet suddenly reversed its course, revealing glimpses of times long past, children playing along the shoreline, elders sharing stories beneath ancient trees, and warriors making peace beside its waters. Together they followed the river's winding path, each bend revealing a new chapter of history. They met a wise woman who spoke of healing plants, a chief who taught them about leading with compassion, and a storyteller who shared tales of courage that echoed through generations. Each encounter revealed a piece of an ancient poem, words that seemed to hold the key to Cinderella's return home. But time was growing short. With each passing moment, Cinderella felt herself being pulled deeper into the past, like a leaf caught in the river's current. Pocahontas, listening to the whispers of the wind and the songs of the trees, led them to an enormous oak tree. There, carved into its ancient bark, they found the final words they sought. Before speaking the words that would send her home, Cinderella opened the silver locket. Inside she wrote a message for future generations. In every moment lies a choice. In every choice lies a future. Listen to the wisdom of those who came before, but never fear to forge your own path. As she closed the locket, the river's waters began to glow with a soft silver light. Pocahontas and Cinderella joined hands, speaking the ancient words together. The river swirled around them in a graceful dance, and Cinderella felt herself being carried back to her own time. In a flash of silver light, she found herself once more in her palace garden, the locket warm in her hands. From that day forward, Cinderella looked at her world with new eyes, understanding that every choice, no matter how small, rippled through time like waves on a river. And somewhere in the distant past, Pocahontas stood by the riverbank, smiling as the waters flowed peacefully once more, knowing that the wisdom they had shared would echo through the ages like the endless song of the river.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.